Well, where are we at?
We're in Orlando.
Yes, we made it to the Orlando airport by the skin of our teeth.
Like, we were running.
We actually made it to the check our tickets 4 minutes before they closed the door. There was a huge accident on the interstate.
Yes, that put us way behind.
We sat in traffic like 45 minutes, and then we were doing like about 107 for about 60 miles.
I was zooming.
Barely made it. We didn't get to sit together. We made it safely, though.
That's right.
I don't know if our luggage made it, though. I doubt if our luggage made it.
Oh, I'm hoping, gosh.
Yeah, they asked.
Hope we don't get lost.
When
if it's late, it's okay. But
when I checked the luggage in, they asked me, "Do you want this on this flight?" I was like, "Well, yeah."
I'm hoping it shows up.
And not only that, whenever I stuck my bag down for security, I broke the microphone. So I don't know how it sounds. I'm going to see if I can find a microphone here. If not, we'll just
wing it.
Go without one, right?
That's the way this trip is going to be.
And I don't know if Gavin's with us yet or not, but let's keep our fingers crossed. Go see if we get that luggage. Had our first ride of the trip on the little tram.
Yay!
And now we're going to go check for our luggage. We Ashley doesn't think it made it. I think it's about a 4% chance.
A 4%? God.
That's 4, yeah.
We're winging it, y'all. Winging it.
We wearing the same clothes if we don't...
Right? Oh well. We got our luggage, and I am one happy girl.
We got all our luggage. As a matter of fact, it was the first pieces out on the carousel. I guess it was the last one put on. The last one on the plane and the first one off. So now we headed headed to the resort now,
yes.
And maybe we can take a deep breath.
Maybe. Just wait for whatever next rolls around.
Okay, I'm not gonna take my breath yet.
We might need to wait. Wait for our driver.
To the Polynesian Village Resort.
Yay, it's so pretty here.
We're going to see if our room's ready and then maybe get a snack because I'm still hungry.
Snacking.
Checking in, and what did you get when you walked through the door?
Hello. Some flowers.
Some smell good flowers?
So pretty.
Yeah, I got some. Gavin has some.
Vacay has officially begun.
We took our deep breath. Nothing but fun in the sun.
That's right.
It smells really good out here. I don't know what it is.
Smells like food.
It does smell like some barbecue or something.
Yeah.
So this is our very first time to ever stay at a bungalow.
So you're super excited.
You're
Can't wait to see that beautiful room.
You excited for your bungalow?
I am.
Yeah, we're gonna go check it out, drop our stuff off, then we want to head to the Magic Kingdom, do Splash Mountain before it closes permanently.
That's right.
One last time, we're gonna come back and just hang out here all night and watch the fireworks.
Yes. I mean, all of that bungalow and fireworks.
We're gonna enjoy it.
Goodness. Wow.
This is nice.
Oh my. It's gorgeous. Can't wait to see the rest of it. This is our bedroom. Beautiful.
So we're floating on the water. The bungalow is set over water, so we look out of our room. As you can see, hopefully it shows that there's water all around us. This is so cool.
Oh, I'm loving it.
So that bungalow is so incredibly nice.
It's just amazing. I don't even know where to begin. It's so pretty.
I mean, it's big. It's bigger than our house.
It's huge.
And
It's probably about 10, 12 people.
Comfortably. So we're going to go to the Magic Kingdom real fast to ride Splash Mountain for the last time because I got a feeling next time we come it's going to be closed.
Yeah.
I have a lightning lane for $4.25. It expires.
Oh.
It's $4.13.
Oh. We're living on the edge.
Yeah, gotta hurry. Actually, this is going to be the first time we rode the ferry in years.
Long time.
Like 5 years.
Okay, we'll go at 5, but I don't really know. But
I don't recall. It's been a long
6.
time. That's how long.
But the ferry is pulling up, and there's like maybe 8 people, so
I think we have a chance to get on it.
now we do have time to stop to get some coffee. Do you want some? You don't want no hot coffee?
It's burning up like sweat.
Like 103 degrees,
Like, yeah.
so no coffee.
Like
Nasty.
lava.
Nasty.
Okay. Just saw the flag retreat, and that is very nice. It's a very patriotic moment at the Magic Kingdom.
Very nice. Glad we got to see it.
Perfect time, and we walked in right at 5 o'clock, and then it started. So now we're gonna go get us a little snack at Cosmic Rays,
Yes.
and then we have a couple of lightning lanes, and then we're going back and enjoy that bungalow.
Yes, I'm so ready.
So we're doing Cosmic Rays, and we just went real easy and simple: cheeseburgers, French fries, and a lot of Diet Coke because we don't need water, right?
We got a lot of water too, but a Diet Coke is very refreshing right now.
$3.33 a bottle, I believe. We bought 5 of them, so
Adds up real quick.
I wish we would have brought a 24 pack from home.
Yes.
But burgers were good, fries are good, and we'll sit back and enjoy.
Yes.
Possibly our very last time ever to ride Splash Mountain in Orlando, Walt Disney World.
It's really kind of sad. I mean, I know there's something that, it'll still be here, still the same structure, but this won't be the same.
Yep, it'll be a little different, but it'll be worth
Like
it.
this ride.
But I'm excited because they're changing it to the New Orleans style, and that's where we're from. Tiana.
Yeah. It'll be great. Don't get me wrong, but
You just miss Zippity Doo Dah.
I do.
So right now Splash Mountain has a 75-minute wait. We're using Lightning Lane. We're going to time it and see how fast it is.
It is sweltering hot out here, folks.
Ain't that bad.
It is like, sweat dripping down the back, down all kinds of places.
About 13 minutes. We're about to get in a log. One last time to go down the briar patch. But 13 minutes versus 75.
I'll take it.
So the last ride, and we get rows 1 and 2.
We're in the very front.
This is awesome.
I guess so. Why not go out with a splash?
got very wet on that one. Gavin had the front seat. I tried to protect Ashley.
It looked like it was very, very full this time for some reason.
Yeah, and the one day this week, one of the logs actually sunk. So I don't know if it's just a lot of water in there or what, but
I'm not sure. But it was fun. A lot of fun.
yeah, we had an absolute great time. But now we're headed out to enjoy that bungalow. Well, Ashley, I do feel that the park isn't like packed out.
It's not. It's very busy, but I wouldn't say full.
No, there's a lot of room to walk around, and
Yeah, it's not like jam-packed shoulder to shoulder with everyone. So.
and being summertime, maybe it's doing because of the weather, maybe.
Summertime.
Yep.
Sorry.
But I was shocked. I was expecting a lot busier park than this.
I was too. I really was.
And we rode the ferry over, and there was only 7 or 8 of us.
Maybe.
I think it was 7.
Maybe 10 at the most.
No, it was 2, 3. Well, counting us, it was 10, but it was 7 other people not counting us. So, not bad. Let's make our way out because I see some dark clouds.
Looks like it's wanting to rain. I hope not, because I want to get in that pool. I hear the thunder and the lightning. Wow.
Doors nearby. For probably 3 hours now.
Yes, feels great.
We've been in this bungalow, we've sat out by the water, we've watched it rain, we've watched it storm.
Yes, like it came a downpour.
Yeah, as soon as we got off the monorail, it started flooding. So we put the camera up. I already had a mishap with the microphone. So we put the camera up, we got a snack, and we waited, and then when it slacked off, we ran
to our room.
and we showered, changed clothes, and just been chilling.
It's so nice. It's beautiful here. Beautiful.
We were hoping to watch the fireworks with the lightning out there. They're not doing the fireworks, so I guess go to bed and get ready for the wish tomorrow.
Yes, ready.
And Gavin's already passed out, so it's been a stressful long day.
Yes, it has. One to remember for sure.
But we took a deep breath, and it's nothing but fun.
That's right.
So, till in the morning.
We'll see you real soon.